Middle Ages, Poland. Foundation of Poland was laid in the mid-10th century when Duke Mieszko I, a ruler of Western Slavic tribes, married Dubravka, Princess of Bohemia. Mieszko I embraced Christianity in 966 and so did his people. The Polish flourished under various rulers till the 13th century till they were invaded by the Mongols. Although the Polish lost in the Battle of Legnica in 1241, the Mongols decided to withdraw. Poland was also under threat of Teutonic Knights who were on a conquering spree in Eastern Europe. These knights were from Germany and were on a mission to convert all the non-Christians to Christianity. They killed and seized lands in Sunide Poland in 1308 and took over the eastern part, Pomerania. Soon, Poland was unified under Kazimierz III in the 14th century. It was under his rule that Krakow, Poland's first university, was founded. He also extended the boundaries of Poland to Russia. Poland soared to heights from the 14th to 16th century. Kazimierz supported the Jewish community, and this is why modern Poland still has a large number of Jews. First female ruler, Poland. When Louis the Great, King of Poland and Hungary, did not have a son, he placed his third daughter on the throne, thus giving Poland their first female ruler, Jadwiga, Queen of Poland, in October 1384. Her marriage to Grand Duke of Lithuania, Jagiello, united Poland and Lithuania. They two nations together defeated the Teutonic Knights in the Battle of Grunwald. Poland finally managed to take back Pomerania and Gdansk. 17th century, Poland. The 17th century was devastating for the Poles. The Ukrainian Cossacks and Russians joined hands together and revolted against the Polish in 1654. Meanwhile, the Swedes also attacked Poland in 1655. The wars with Sweden and Russia ended in 1660 and 1667 respectively. Poland was drained, ruined, and more than half their population was dead. 18th century, Poland. Poland continued to decline in the 18th century and there was political instability in the nation. The Russians, Austrians and Prussians took advantage of the now weak Poland. They liked to divide and rule the Polish. Such was greed for land between Austria, Russia and Prussia that each one tore a part of Poland and merged in their kingdom. In 1795, Poland ceased to exist because nothing more was left to divide. 19th century, Poland. The part of Poland that went to Russia, although ruled by the Russian Tsar, was known as the Kingdom of Poland and they had their own army and government. The Poles rebelled against the Tsar in 1830 but were defeated by the Russians in 1831. They rebelled again in 1863 but failed again. 20th century, Poland. Poland gained back their freedom after the First World War. For some time they were under the Germans but they soon became free again in 1918. They established a new constitution in 1921. Poland still faced threat from Nazis in Germany and communists in Russia who clandestinely planned to attack and divide Poland amongst themselves. Second World War saw Poland being confiscated by Germans and Russians. Millions of Jews and Poles were executed. For a long time, Poland had communist rule and the Polish economy was miserable. The Polish came out of their dejected state only in 1989 when Tadeusz Mazowiecki became the Prime Minister of Poland after the end of communist rule. Modern Poland. Today Poland has a flourishing economy and their economic growth is considered to be the best in Europe.